Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my purchase that I made at Polish Pickup, and let me just look, March 2022. You guys know I have so much trouble like keeping up with, because it's a pre-order, so you order it and then you wait like, I don't know, 3 weeks or whatever it is, and then you get it. So here is mine. I only purchased 4 polishes. This is a Penelope Luz, and this was a Polish Pickup exclusive. Came in this cute little box, and it's a magnetic. And this is, my man has 2 jobs. Beautiful pink polish. Had to have it. The next one I got is by Phoenix, and it came in a cute little box too. And the Phoenix one is called Love Sucks. It's magnetic and it's got those reflective glitters in it. This will be my first round, or my first polish from this reflective glitter madness that's going on nowadays. I do have a reflective glitter from, I don't know, 6 years ago, but it's different. So we're going to check that out. I'm going to swatch all this stuff for you. And then we got MJ Lacquer. I always try to get the MJ Lacquers from, Polish Pickup. This one's Purple Rain. And it's, it's a solar. I was like, I knew there was something going on with it. And it came in the cute little bag. And the last polish that I got is from Ethereal. And I had to get it because it's called Moth. And look how pretty. Oh my. Yes. Alright, so I've got my little swatch wheel out. We're going to get to swatching. Alrighty, so here we go. We're going to start with the Penelope Luz. My man has 2 jobs. And we're, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, and that hadn't even been magnetized or nothing yet. Okay, so I'm going to put the first coat on and magnetize it a little bit. I like to do it on all the coats. Oh, and my hands are shaky. You see that thing bouncing around there? Woo. Shaky, shaky girl. Okay, so next we've got the Phoenix, and this was Love Sucks. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. I love multi-chrome, duochrome polishes, and when they start adding these other elements into it, I'm just like, yes, 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 yes. Shaky hands. Lordy be, I'm just, okay. Ooh, pretty. Next is MJ Lacquer's Purple Rain, and after this one gets dry, I'll do pictures of in the cold and warm states and stuff or whatever. It says solar, but hopefully, and if nothing else, I can get my nail lamp out here and use it. And then Ethereal Moth. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's screaming, y'all. Oh. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys could see what I could see. Oh my. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright, we're going to go in with our second coats and see about, doing these up. Now, I am going to hold the magnet over these longer now with my thicker coat here. I don't know, guys. I might just be wasting time doing the magnet on the first swoop. But I normally count to 15 or something. And y'all know down south we do the 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and so on. I'm going to hold it for a while so that it'll stay. Okay, hopefully that'll stay on there. Alright, so that's, my man has 2 jobs. I think that's what it, yeah, my man has 2 jobs. And this one's Love Sucks by Phoenix Polish. That's just pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I'm so ready to wear them. I don't care what season it is. So, anyhow. And, of course, none of these polishes are available right now. They're, you know, the once a month pre-order from Polish Pickup. I'll try to remember to leave a link down below for Polish Pickup. And it's a really, really nice place to go and get, oh my goodness. It's a really nice place to go and get samplings from a bunch of different indie makers in one place with one shipping. I really do love that. And, you know, it's just fun for me. I get to try all these different brands. Oh, I love some MJ Lacquer. I'm going to turn this light off so y'all can see. Oh, it's such a pretty baby blue with all those like opal colored flakies in there. Alright, so next up we've got, and that was Purple Rain, and this one is Luna Moth. I'm so glad I grabbed this one. This one was bought purely because I loved the name, but so not disappointed. That is stunning. Okay, I'm going to get these to dry down. I'm going to top coat them. I'm going to take pictures and see what I can get, and we will do some, this one, thermal testing, solar testing on this one. And here we have Penelope Luz, and this one was My Man Has Two Jobs. Next up, we've got Phoenix and Love Sucks. The next one is MJ Lacquer's Purple Rain. Now, we'll be doing a video on this soon, using it. And then we have Ethereal Luna Moth. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.